Hey, what's going on, everybody? Here I am back again with another magic video, and this time we are going to be doing it on the disappearing dime trick. So here we have our dime here, and we have a surface right here that I put, and yeah, and here we have our glass cup that we have there, as you can see right there. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get ourselves something to cover it up with. So we're gonna place it on top and then move it right there like that. And then I'm gonna do my magic wave, snap my finger, and look at that. The dime is vanished out of nowhere. You can see, you cannot see anything. You could even look at it on top, anywhere, but you cannot see it. And now we're going to make it reappear. Place it right there. Do my magic wave. Snap my finger. And there you go. The dime is right there the whole time. So it's a very, very cool, mega cool and simple trick that you could do, and it requires household items that you could find right there laying there. So we will be right back with the tutorial. Okay, so we're back here, and so all you pretty much needed is a coin. Right now I'm using a dime, something to cover it up with. I'm using this foil shaped cutout right there that I got. I'm using aluminum foil, but you could use a cloth or a napkin or anything just to cover up the glass bottle. And then you will need a piece of paper. I'm using a black, and yeah, I'm using black piece of paper, and of course a glass cup. And it doesn't have to be glass, but it has to be transparent so that the viewer could see that they could see that the dime is unnoticeable. So yeah, so that's all you need pretty much. And so what you're gonna do is take your flat piece of paper. Depending on the color that you need, you actually need two pieces of paper. One you need it for the base, and another one to cut out for the glass cup. And why you need it, the secret of doing this trick is that, look at this, that there was a cutout circle piece of paper glued to the bottom of the glass rim, so it looked like if it was to camouflage, you know, you don't notice anything. It looks like if it was under the paper. And yeah, so what you will need to do is just get yourself a black piece of paper, or whatever type of color you're using. If you're using green or red, then this has to be the same color as you're using, right? So you'll just get your piece of paper, place in your glass cup, just trace with pencil around it, let go of it, and then you should have the circle shape right there, and just cut it out with some scissors right there, and just flip over your cup or your glass or whatever. And then you're going to glue the rim with any type of glue. I used Elmer's glue stick, but just make sure if you're using that, just kind of make sure don't move this roughly with your thumb or fingers, because Elmer's glue will not stick forever onto here. So yeah, kind of be careful with it. Don't mess around with it or anything. And yeah, so that's all you pretty much will need. And to do the trick is very simple. So you turn it around, and before we do that, make sure there aren't any make sure there's no little like paper sticking, like little paper cuts sticking out, like right there. You know, kind of try to hide it, or maybe cut it out even more so that they won't see it. And yeah, place it on to this edge right over here, and place in your dime or a coin or penny, quarter, whatever, on the other side. And you're going to be demonstrating this to your audience, that here we have our glass cup and our dime here, and that you're going to cover this up, cover it up, and when you're covering it up, you're going to lift this up. This is how it looks without it. So you're going to lift it up and place it on top right there, you know. So it's just like that, you know, it's still covered up. And then you could do, this is the optional part. You could do magic stuff, whatever. I did a wave, snap my finger, and then quickly lift this up, and boom, the dime is gone. And how it works is that the dime is still right under there. The paper is camouflaging in the paper base that I have here. And yeah, and once you place that back on, and then, you know, do magic stuff, whatever, and then take it off, and then the dime is still there. Just kind of make sure, don't lift this too much, you know, kind of don't lift it up like that, you know, kind of lift it up low lined, and so when you place it there, lift it up, and then, you know, it looks like if it were to be the paper right here, but no. So yeah, anyway, that ends up our video for here today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to always like or dislike or comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. That really helps me a lot. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later. Peace.